Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have some exciting new details about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A56. It's been spotted on the EOV code database, and there's a ton of cool features to talk about. From NFC support to the new Bluetooth version and a fresh design, this phone is shaping up to be a game changer for mid-range smartphones. Let's dive into the details. First up, the Galaxy A56 will support NFC, which means you'll be able to make contactless payments with ease. This is confirmed by the EOV listing that shows the model number XYMA566BDS, and it's certified for NFC payments under approval number MTA LORSOR 05323, which is valid until December 2027. So, if you're into mobile payments, this is a big win. Moving on to software, the Galaxy A56 will come with Android 15 based on Samsung's One UI 7. This is a huge upgrade, and it also means that the A56 will likely be the first mid-range phone to ship with One UI 7 right out of the box. Now, let's talk about some of the coolest features that One UI 7 is bringing to the table. First off, we've got the Now bar. This is Samsung's answer to iOS live activities. The Now bar will display real-time info right on your lock screen, whether it's the song you're listening to, a timer, or even your running stats. You can expand it for more details, making it super handy and cool. Next, there's the vertical launcher drawer. A highly requested feature is finally here. You can now scroll through your apps vertically, and if you're a fan of the traditional horizontal pages, you can always switch back to that in the settings. It's all about customization. And finally, a brand new quick settings panel. It's sleek, minimal, and separate from your notifications. The blur effect in the background adds a modern touch, and it's a clean, clutter-free experience. Now, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy A56 will be powered by the Exynos 1580 chipset, complete with the Exynos 540 GPU. This ensures buttery-smooth performance for all your tasks, whether it's gaming, multitasking, or just general use. Plus, the upgraded GPU means even smarter AI features for a more efficient and responsive experience. The Galaxy A56 will also come with Bluetooth 5.4, a nice upgrade over the Galaxy A55's Bluetooth 5.3. This new version brings more reliable wireless connections and enhanced power efficiency. Whether you're connecting wireless earbuds, a Galaxy Smart Tag, or your Galaxy Watch, Bluetooth 5.4 should make everything feel more stable and dependable. So there you have it, the Samsung Galaxy A56 is shaping up to be one heck of a phone. From NFC payments to the new One UI 7 features, the Bluetooth upgrade, and the powerful Exynos 1580 chip, this device is definitely going to raise the bar for mid-range smartphones in 2025. What do you think of these updates? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out!